Hello everyone, my name is Jude and welcome back to my channel. There's incoming call.
Hi, I'm the balloon scientist. In this new video, you are going to learn how to make a balloon deer. Wildlife lover will be impressed by this deer. Bye!
Thank you, balloon scientists. I'm so excited to share with you guys this design. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. To make balloon deer, we need 1 to 60 balloon. Alright, to begin, we're going to inflate the 260 balloon about 6 pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we tie the balloon. Give it a bit of squeeze. Alright, so the next step is we're going to make about 3 finger bubble for the head. Right, 1, 2, 3 here, and then we twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then follow by 5 2 finger bubble. Alright, so 1, 2 finger bubble. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Match it. Twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Match it. Then we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the last one we match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the first bubble with the last bubble we lock twist. 1 and 2. So we're going to get this. So the next step is we're going to make another set of 5 2 finger bubble. Alright, so we measure here. 1, 2, twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finger bubble here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we match this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one we match it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna lock this first bubble with the last bubble. Right? 1 and 2. Alright, so we're gonna get this. Right? So the next step is we're going to make the neck of the balloon deer. We're going to make about 3 finger bubble, and then we twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the front leg, we're going to make about 4 finger bubble. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we lock twist here. 1, 2. Alright. For the body, we're going to make about 1, 2, 3, 4 finger bubble. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for the back leg, we're going to make about 4 finger bubble as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And then we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we match it. And then we twist here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we lock twist here. 1 and 2. Alright guys, so our balloon deer has completed. That's about it guys. If you like this balloon tutorial, please do comment at the comment box down below and give it a thumbs like. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit at the notification bell just so you do not miss anything from us in the near future. This is not goodbye, and see you next time.